Welcome back to another wig review video. So in today's video, we are going to be checking out the 3D Glueless Max wig from RPGSHOW. So if you want to see what that wig looks like, please keep on watching.
Boss, 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 boss.
Anything turn on, you touch that half you seal. Boss, boss.
Right guys, so as I was saying, RPGSHOW sent us their Maxipart 10x6 Glueless Swiss lace closure wig, aka the 3D Glueless Max wig. Now this wig is supposed to be a game changer as you are able to customize so many different features about it. The ear tabs are shaped to whoever's ears is wearing. You are able to remove the combs if you want to. They said this wig has a wide and deep parting space, removable combs, matches ear shape, elastic drawstring, glueless and natural look. Okay, now of course, fabulous black box as always. RPGSHOW, let us see what is on the inside. Now I'm pretty excited about the 3D Glueless Max wig because it's a wig that you should be able to install completely glueless for a very fabulous and natural look. Ooh, it's like a honey brown color. Ooh, RPGSHOW. All right, wait, guys, wait. Let's get into the other contents of the package first. We have their RPGSHOW branded elastic. I love this flyaway edge tamer that they send. They also have the branded RPGSHOW wig bands. They sent us a pack of wig caps. Love this color. We'll definitely be keeping this one. Their RPGSHOW thank you card. Always a pleasure. Ooh, and then of course, as I was saying, they have their Maxipart 10x6 glueless lace closure wig, and it gives you all the characteristics. And of course, you know, they send us their RPGSHOW magazine. Oh, is this a cute little scarf? I love me a scarf. Thank you. How did they know? How did they know? And of course, your wig carrying case, branded RPGSHOW as is supposed to be. Let us get into the main feature of this review video, which is going to be the 3D Glueless Max wig from RPGSHOW. Now the color has already caught my eye. Let us remove the netting and see exactly what is going on with this wig. Now apparently the structure of the cap is supposed to be so professional and so neat. So let's just remove the styrofoam and see exactly what it looks like. Of course, the lace is going to be the best ever. This is RPGSHOW. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. And on the inside of the wig, the combs, as they said, are removable. There we go. There we go. Ooh, fabulous. Completely off. Put it back if you want to. The ear tabs are shaped like actual ears. Like, you guys see that there? Can you guys see that? Look, it's a curve right where your ear should be. So it makes wearing the wig even more comfortable. On the inside, of course, nice breathable cap there, properly made. Elastic drawstring. Love, 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 love it. And the part, as they promised, is wide and deep. So you could get a perfect look when you do go in and part your wig. Ooh, so cute. Love it, guys. Look at that elastic drawstring. Look at that, bro. And all the clips are removable, not just one. Oh my god, I love it. Let's put it on. Now some more features of the wig are that it is tinted 10x6 transparent Swiss lace, upgraded pre-plucked and pre-bleached hairline, invisible knots and real scalp. Now this is the wigs by Charisse 052. Hair length is 20 inches. The cap construction is Maxipart 10x6 glueless Swiss lace closure wig in 180 density. Now of course, RPGSHOW always sends us the wigs already curled. They know I'm a very lazy girl who just wants to take the wig out of the bag and put it right the hell on my head and get to where I'm getting to. So let's get into the installation of this fabulous wig from RPGSHOW. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, kindly remember that the link will be in my description box below to RPGSHOW and to this specific wig if you love it as much as I love it. All right, so it's on my head. Fabulous. Let's pull it back. Y'all seeing the ears? Are y'all seeing how I don't have to cut the ear tabs? Like, it's already curved to my ear, like this wig was made specifically for me. It fits snug on my head. Now I'm going to install this wig glueless, but you guys already see, oh, the Swiss lace is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Let's go in and part this. Just clean it up a little bit. I would have probably preferred if the knots were darker, but that's just my preference. When you get this wig, you could definitely go in and make the knots darker if you want. Together so nicely. All right, I'm gonna use a previous flyaway tamer that they sent to me, and then we're just gonna go in and press the top of the wig to get it as flat as possible right now. Also, point to note, RPGSHOW is offering a discount code if you use my name Tananya. It's $100 off. If you've made it this far in the video and you want to treat yourself to an RPGSHOW wig, I think that this is your sign. The code is Tananya for $100 off. Couldn't ask for nothing better than that, child. Oh, this wig is so flat and so beautiful. I'm pressing it out and it's so easy. It's requiring little to no effort at all. It's beautiful, guys. Wow, guys. The wig, like, I still have the lace on. Can you guys tell? Like, are you guys seeing the lace? Oh my god, guys. I haven't done anything to the wig as yet, and I think it's beautiful. That is crazy, bro. Top is flat. Going with a little bit of oil. And then we're going to comb through the curls, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace because, like I said, I am installing this beautiful baby glueless. Oh my god, I love it. I still have the lace on. Can you guys tell? This is beautiful. Like, no cap. Like, this is beautiful. Oh my god, it's amazing. I love it so much. Lace is still on. Like, there we go. Let's cut it. God, I don't even want to cut this Swiss lace. It's beautiful. Wow, guys. So I went in and cut the lace off this RPGSHOW wig. I am so mind blown. I also just applied a little bit of got2b glue around the edges just to lay the edges a little bit flat. I never tied it down. I just sprayed it, used my finger, dot it down, and that's it. It blends so beautifully. Oh my god, this is one of the best wigs I've ever received in my lifetime. Guys, remember, if you're interested in this 3D glueless max wig from RPGSHOW, do not hesitate to check out the link in my description box. Again, they are offering $100 off if you use my code Tananya. This is their Maxipart 10x6 glueless Swiss lace closure wig. It is the wigs by 𝘼𝙤𝙣𝙩 if you're searching for this specific wig. Oh my god, guys, let me give you a final look. This wig down. They ate this wig all the way down, honey. Excuse me? Wow, guys, I am blown away. I love the construction of the cap. This new way of making wigs is amazing. For you to be able to remove the combs and also the drawstring elastic at the back. Chef's kiss RPGSHOW. Now, guys, that is gonna be it for the installation of this fabulous wig from RPGSHOW. Don't be afraid to let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Like this video for sure. Check out the link to RPGSHOW in my description box below. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time in the next wig review video. Bye.